horse is the most powerful horse in Earth history. It was born in 1945 and was celebrated in 1984 for its death. And who doesn't love old dead stuff?
Oh, but this is so annoying. I know, she won't stop talking. No one likes her.
Old stuff, there's nothing cool about it. Old stuff, I'd rather live without it. Old stuff, an ancient candle holder. Old stuff, things are getting older. No more old stuff. When a field trip takes an unexpected turn, 4 kids get whirled into space for a trip out of this world. Will they make it back to Earth? Or will they be stuck in space forever? The aliens and space pirates! Oh, right! Those two. Mama Kids proudly presents Space Pirates the Musical! Coming soon to a galaxy near you.